And not just national capital Delhi, it's been quite the morning of jolts in Bihar as well. Another earthquake that has been reported after Delhi. This is Bihar, where in Siwan, we are told specifically the tremors that were felt. Again, the earthquake is on the Richter scale of about 4 with the magnitude. The depth of earthquake in Siwan is 10 kilometers. Rohit Singh is joining me. Rohit, what time did this earthquake happen? Because in Delhi NCR it was felt early this morning at about 5:36 a.m. What are you hearing in from Siwan? Was Bihar the epicenter or some other place? Go ahead, Rohit. All right, we'll go across to my colleague in just a short while. So remember, another update coming in. After Delhi NCR, another earthquake now in Bihar at about 8 a.m. according to information coming in that we are told in Bihar, in Siwan, where the details have come in of earthquake that has been reported. I want to give you exact references. Again, it appears the epicenter has turned out to be in Bihar. Is it something that experts, seismologists need to look at? Remember, it's very difficult to predict earthquakes and tremors, but in cases like this, could there be aftershocks? Is there a pattern that we are witnessing? Because usually, what is the epicenter? It's the Himalayan region, the Hindu Kush Mountains, even Nepal. But to have epicenters as Delhi early this morning, 5:36 a.m., as Delhi NCR falls also in the seismic zone 4. Then there is Bihar, which is reporting another earthquake at about 8 a.m., 2 minutes, and earthquake with a magnitude of 4.0 on the Richter scale. Epicenter turning out to be in the region, in the belt of Bihar as well. So just as not to panic, but to caution our viewers, to just be slightly cautious, because there often are reports or there's a pattern of aftershocks. But in these cases, small earthquakes, low magnitude, this is something seismologists have been studying. So keep your presence of mind, follow all protocols and precautions. Rohit Singh joins me now. Rohit, go ahead. What time was the tremor reported in Bihar? And is the epicenter also turning out to be within the state?
Well, Pujasri, according to the news agency ANI, tremor was also felt at around 8 o'clock this morning in Siwan district of Bihar, and the magnitude as far as the agency is concerned, according to National Seismology of India, was 4. So 4 on the Richter scale is what we are learning, that tremors were felt in Siwan district of Bihar, but till now there has been no report of any loss of life or property in this district. But according to the news agency ANI, what we are learning is that at around 8 o'clock this morning, slight and mild tremors were also felt in Siwan district of Bihar. Pooja.
Rohit, as he's reporting, not much details we have right now if there's been any damage, thankfully so. However, because there have been these back-to-back tremors in the belt that have witnessed from Delhi NCR, now Bihar, we'll be going across to seismologists in just a short while and play out the interactions we have had since morning. Remember, India Today went live early this morning when the news was confirmed. And of course, more and more people who confirmed they felt the strong tremors, at least of over 5 seconds, and the epicenter turning out to be Delhi.